In this video, we are going to be talking all about how to invest your money. Now, I'm just a regular guy. My name's Joe. I invest our family money in a variety of different ways. And this is not legal advice. This is not accounting advice. This is me sharing with you what I've done to invest our money. So first and foremost, you have to be thinking about your savings. Look at how much you're saving to just save for an emergency. Have 3 to 6 months of emergency funds for yourself, but then also for your business. If your business goes down for 3 or 6 months and you don't have that savings, it's going to be really hard for you to recover and to thrive during that time. Second, you want to work with someone that can help you take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts. It might be an IRA, it might be retirement savings, it might be forming a LLC. Talk with an accountant. Make sure that you understand all the different things where you can legally put money aside, tax-free or as a tax write-off. This can save tons of money to help your investments grow exponentially. Once you start investing, if you want to invest in the stock market, a lot of people will look at mutual funds and say, well, this one beat this one. Those places will have thousands of mutual funds. And then they'll look at the handful that did well and they'll say, look, we got you 29%. Well, of course you did, but all the rest of them didn't. So what you want to actually do is just spread your money equally across the entire market. Get a whole index fund where you're getting a piece of every stock. If the stock market goes up 12%, you go up 12%. If it goes down 5%, it goes down 5%. You want to do that through low fee investing, through someone like Vanguard. That's what we use. That's what a lot of people use. So you're going to find those low fee accounts because for every percent that you save, that's 10 years of retirement income that you would have lost if you were giving away that percent. Number 4, think about real estate. There are so many great real estate podcasts out there and different ways to invest in real estate. We have 2 Airbnbs. Each of those make about $30,000 more than what they cost us per year, and they're relatively passive. Once we have our cleaning crew in there and we have all of our contractors and make it look nice, it's pretty passive income when it comes to real estate. And you're not really looking at having all of those turnover for renters and finding good quality credit scores and all that goes into long-term renters. So if you can invest in an area that has a tourist season in some form, that's a really great investment if you want to add that to your portfolio. The last thing that's often overlooked is education. Your own education, your own mind, your own ability to generate money is going to be one of the single best investments. That could be through a consultant or a mastermind group or a membership community, e-courses. There's so many ways that you can invest in your own self. I mean, just 10 years ago, I had a full-time job and, I was just kind of sweating and it was tough and I had this side gig. And then 6 years ago, I left that full-time job to be full-time in the entrepreneurial space. Since then, I've sold my company. I've been able to do consulting and podcasting and all these things. It's because I invested in my own education. You can do the same. If you want more information about how to apply to work with me or our team, right here, you can go to practicewiththepractice.com/apply. We'll chat with you about where the best fit might be for some consulting. Have an awesome day, go invest, and have fun doing it. Bye.